Talk about Royal Enfield, a legacy of renown. The world's oldest motorcycle brand, Royal Enfield blends heritage with modern engineering. From British origins to an Indian icon, it symbolizes reliance and style. Now we'll talk about history of Royal Enfield. In 1901, first Royal Enfield motorcycle launched and Stanley Cycle Show in London. In 1932, iconic Bullet model introduced lasting decades of popularity. And in 1955, Royal Enfield motorcycles begin assembly in Madras, India. And in 1967, closure of Reddick factory in UK, shifting legacy to India. And in 1994, Eicher Group acquires Royal Enfield, revitalizing the brand. We'll talk about manufacturing and distribution of Royal Enfield. Production capacity of Royal Enfield are 8,25,000 plus motorcycles produced annually as record of 2023. And the facility is state-of-the-art manufacturing located in Chennai, India. Global research of global reach, right, distributes motorcycles to over 60 countries worldwide. Dealer network, 750 plus dealerships in India and 1,675 plus stores worldwide. Now we will talk about marketing and brand positioning. The brand promise, made like a gun, highlights robustness and durability. The community focus, hosts rides, events and fosters a passionate rider community. Right? We'll talk about social media power of Royal Enfield is over 8 million followers on Instagram, engaging with the brand of Royal Enfield. Collaborations, partners with custom builders and artists to enhance the appeal. Now we'll talk about challenges and competition. Right? Competition of Royal Enfield are facing Honda, Yamaha, Triumph and Harley Davidson. Battle for market share in mid-size segment. Regulatory are compliance with BS6 and Euro 5 emissions standards, meeting stricter environmental norms globally. Supply chain challenges with semiconductor shortages, rising raw materials costs impact production, and the perceptions are addressing reliability concerns, improving quality assurance processes. Talk about growth strategies, right? The new products focuses on electric and higher displacement of motorcycles. And the second one is global expansion, targeting Southeast Asia, Latin America and Europe markets, right? And the third one is brand premiumization of collaborations, events and enhanced brand positioning. Fourth is customer experience, digitalizations and expanded service networks worldwide. R&D investment, developing advanced technologies and alternative fuels. Talk about financial performance, right? $1.4 billion revenue in 2023 records. Strong growth driven by domestic and exports. 85% market share in India. Dominates 250cc plus motorcycle segment. 20% export growth. Year over year increase in international sales. $150 million R&D investments focused on future technologies over next 3 years. 20% of profit margins. Healthy EBITDA margin indicating operational efficiency. We'll talk about Royal Enfield, the road ahead. First we'll talk about heritage, building an century-old legacy of reversed motorcycles, right? And the second one is innovations, continuously integrating modern technologies and design. Now we'll talk about global ambitions in Royal Enfield, expanding markets while honoring brand authenticity. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe our channel, Review Your Vehicles.